celebrations in our provinces. Today I will teach you to complete this sentence. One important celebration in the province is. You will also complete this chart. How do people celebrate it? People usually eat. Sometimes people wear. Or you can use these phrases to write sentences. Okay? So let's say that one friend of yours found this article about one important celebration in San Jose. It says, every December 31st, San Jose celebrates the day of San Jose, the patron saint. Usually, many people from around the country visit Zapote and attend the traditional fairs of Zapote. Sometimes, people like to watch the Ticos-style bull fighting, horse shows, and other attractions such as the roller coaster. Usually, people wear casual clothes such as t-shirt, jeans, tennis shoes, boots, and sweaters. Sometimes, many visitors like to eat traditional meals such as rice with chicken, grilled corn, fried pork, candy apples, and popcorn. So your friend wants to know more about this article. And you say that you show him a picture of what a bullfighting is. This is a bullfighting style, Tico style. These are the horse shows, attractions such as the roller coaster, grilled corn, fried pork, and candy apples. Okay? So first thing, we need to know important vocabulary, and that is what your friend is doing. Now, if we take a look to this paragraph, okay? How would you complete this sentence? One important celebration in San Jose is. Okay, let's take a look. Every December the 31st, San Jose celebrates the day of San Jose, the patron saint. So, one important celebration in San Jose is, according to this, the day of San Jose. Here we have it. In San Jose, people celebrate the day of San Jose, the patron saint. So, I can write one important celebration in San Jose is the day of San Jose, the patron saint. Okay? Let's continue. We have the same paragraph, but we need to complete this chart over here. And the question is, how do people celebrate it? How do people celebrate it is, ¿cómo lo celebra? And we have two categories. People usually eat, and sometimes people wear. So, if I have to complete this, I would say that people usually eat. This is the first one. So I'm going to look for type of things that people would eat or example of food that people would have in this place. And it says rice with chicken, grilled corn, fried pork, candy apples, and popcorn. So I can choose 3 of them and I can write it over here. Oh, this is too small. Let's do it. Okay. Let's change it. Rice with chicken. They say fried pork and grilled corn. Good. Now, Sometimes people wear. So, wear is visten. Sometimes people wear. A veces ellos se ponen, se visten con. So it says, usually people wear casual clothes such as t-shirt, jeans, tennis shoes, boots, and sweaters. So I can choose 3 examples and write tennis shoes. They say that they also wear jeans and boots. That is just an example. Now, how do people celebrate it? Well, if I have to complete this phrase, I will say people usually eat, and I can go backwards and find that I wrote rice with chicken, fried pork, and grilled corn. So I can write people usually eat rice with chicken, fried pork, and grilled corn. Take into account that I'm using commas and that I'm using a comma before and. And here, sometimes people wear tennis shoes, jeans, and boots. So I can write tennis shoes, jeans, and boots. Awesome. All right. Now it is your turn. Evidence number 1. Con esta información, ustedes van a hacer el trabajo que se les solicita en la evidencia. Every July the 25th, people from all provinces gather in Guanacaste to celebrate the annexation of Guanacaste. Some people like to attend the bullfights in Santa Cruz, and parades, folk dances, typical music, cattle shows, and more. Some people wear casual clothes such as t-shirt, short pants, sandals, and traditional colorful skirts. Many visitors like to eat traditional meals such as gallina chotada, grilled corn, fried pork, and picadillos. Good luck!